when you are making recipe substitutions on your own, keep in mind two bigger picture things. What are we substituting for? Think about those macronutrients. Your macronutrients are your fiber-rich carbohydrates, your protein, and your fat. So if we're taking out something that maybe is a large source of protein in our meal, we want to substitute something in. So I like to use the example of the protein. So beans. So say we're going to leave out beans. What else can we put in, say, a smoothie to where we're adding some protein in? Can we add some seeds? Can we add some dairy? But if we're doing like a savory dish, we could put beans or dairy in there, but we might want to do something like chicken or fish. So keep in mind those macronutrients, the fiber, fat, and the protein, and also the flavor, because we still want it to taste good. Eating for nourishment and satisfaction, a big part of satisfaction is that it tastes good too, and you're enjoying it.